Honda Integra water spray wiper retrofit. Activate wiper service model pre-off the outer cover pre-off the outer cover push hose out with thin and the pry bar rim of original wiper. This is BAOYI water spray wiper water spray hose are on fluid supply cedesol. Install wiper incorrect orientation higher side spoiler is upward. Install the water spray wiper latch clicks into place after installing the wiper. Observe the routing of hose. Take out the hose connected to the water inlet. Plan the hose routing roughly align it with original car hose. Leave extra length for later adjustment. Connect hose with a suitable adapter. After connecting the hose, select appropriate size clip. Secure the hose to the wiper arm. Put the cover back. Passenger side installation. Lift the wiper pry off the outer cover. Remove original car hose. Push hose out with pry bar. The original car water hose is long enough to be connected directly to the wiper. Insert original hose into water inlet. See the hose into retaining fluid installation complete. Easy retrofit water spray wiper installation in about 10 minutes. Has a different brand new experience.